friends, hope you all are doing well. So today I am here with another hack video, and this time I am going to tell you my top 5 foundation hacks with you. So yes, if you are interested like me, then please keep on watching. So the very difficult part is this, how to choose the correct shade for you, because nowadays we are more into online shopping and sometimes it happens that you buy wrong shade, whether it is little dark or little lighter to your skin tone. So I'll suggest you that if you are buying any of the foundation for the first time, then please do have a swatch at the counter only, and then when you get to know that what is your actual color, then go ahead and do that. So to check the shade on the counter itself, what you can do is pick 3 shades which you feel that will go perfectly for your skin tone. So I have 3 shades with me, and now I will apply it across on my chin below the jawline, and then I will blend it with the ring finger, and the one which will matches perfectly to my skin tone, that will be the best shade for me. Right now I don't have any makeup on my face, so let's check. First, second and third color, the second one is the perfect match for my skin tone. If you have a foundation which has a pinkish undertone, then don't worry, you can use that foundation to conceal the under eye circle. Foundation which has got yellow undertone, then you can use that foundation to correct the redness on your face. Like I have redness around the nose and sides of my lips, so I use this yellow toned foundation to cover the redness of my face. Foundation which is too light to your skin tone or too dark to your skin tone, then don't worry, you can fix it in a minute. If your foundation is too light, then just add little bit of dark foundation in it and mix it, and you will get your customized color. And if you have bought a foundation which is too dark to your skin tone, then just add a little bit of lighter foundation in it and mix it well to get your perfect color. I usually buy 2 foundations, one is of lighter shade and one is of darker shade, because in summers I am a little on a darker side, so yeah, I use the darker shade foundation, and in winters my skin tone is a little bit on a lighter side, so I use the lighter skin tone foundation, and sometimes in between I just mix them both together to get my customized color. If you have a full coverage foundation but you don't want to apply it in a daytime, yet want a little bit of natural coverage on your skin, then what you can do is take little bit of foundation and add your moisturizer. You can add any of the moisturizer, but I like to use my Electrocalamine moisturizer in it, and then I mix it well, and it gives me very nice coverage to my skin tone, which does not look cakey at all at the daytime. So this is more of a tinted moisturizer which I like to use it mostly on the daytime. While applying foundation, always work from center of your face to the outward direction, because this is the most problematic area of our face, and you want it to cover first so that it will not become cakey and it will not look very patchy or something. So start working from the center of your face to the outward direction and blend it nicely with the beauty blender, or if you want to use, you can use your foundation brush as well. So like in this motion, you can blend your foundation to get that flawless and natural looking look. So yes, these were my top foundation hacks. Hope you like it. If you have any suggestion, then please do leave it in the comment bar. Hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.